Good evening. It's Andreas Blyme from Torshälla, Sweden. Tonight I will review tobacco I talked briefly about in another video the other day as one of my fall-winter blends. But believe me, it's all year round, all day, all night blend. It's one of my absolute favorites. I understand that since you who are in the US since 2-3 weeks got the HU blends. Congratulations. They are terrific, many good blends. And the blend that I'm going to talk about today, and I also will show you the tobacco, smoke it, is Nyala. Truly a magnificent blend, in my opinion. I love it. It has got some Malawi burley, cube cut, a little bit of Perique, Brazilian leaf, and Havana cigar leaf. And it's blended by Hans Wiedeman, a true genius, a true artist. The tin note. Quite chocolatey. And the burley is very nutty. And some sweetness. Yeah, fantastic. Let's have a look at the blend. Yeah, well, let's see what we got here. Oh, it smells really nice. So here you see some cube cut burley. And there is a little amount of Perique here. And there is some Brazilian leaf, and here you have, I believe, some cigar leaf in here somewhere. I smoke in my Falcon. I believe this color is Extra. It's called Extra. And my Block Meerschaum from Turkey. Really good. Tasting setup. Well, well, this is absolutely one of my favorite tobaccos of everything I have. It's very creamy. Creamy is the right word. Chocolatey, slightly. And very nutty from the burley. The creaminess almost reminds me of the Cornell and Deal Tupelo. It's a totally different blend, but it's got that creaminess. The Sun Bear. There is a lot of flavors in this tobacco. I think that if you go from cigar smoking to pipe smoking, I think you enjoy this. And I also think that if you go from any other pipe tobacco to this one, you will enjoy it. It's that good. I will get back, smoke down the bowl a little bit. Now, I'll come down a little bit, 2/3. I wouldn't say that this is super sweet. Super creamy, yes. Not super sweet. Nutty, yes. Now I got that explosion of nutty chocolate. Really good stuff. It's really nutty, chocolatey. But there's a lot of things going on in this tobacco. There's a lot of flavors. So, if you get your hands on a tin, I recommend it. Buy it. You will be surprised. Fantastic. So, thank you very much for watching. And I say over and out from Sweden. And if you like this, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you around. Bye-bye.